Today, we'll be looking at the Westgate Tunnel, which is a white alternative to the Westgate Bridge, which is currently under construction. This project is supposed to widen the Westgate Freeway up to 8 lanes. Port Victoria's growing population. It carries 200,000 vehicles each day and is a critical link in Melbourne's transportation network. But one incident is enough to bring traffic to a standstill. So basically there will be 3 express lanes to the Westgate Tunnel to the city. We have lane to Westgate and we have the exit ramps over there. We have the outbound lanes and we have these also express lanes taking you to the Westgate Bridge. Twin tunnels. So basically the twin tunnels will take you from over here through Yarraville and near Sportsville all the way to near Coord Island, and then there'll be an overpass right here. This is the city-bound lane, and there will be an outbound lane taking you all the way to South Kingsville. So basically, this one is a kilometer longer. So yeah, the tunnel's features are going to be a ventilation structure, a freeway management system. It basically celebrates the heritage of Melbourne's Aboriginal people. The road deck, concrete lining, forming a wall roofing base of the tunnel behind each TBU. Crews then work to build the road surface and install electrics, ventilation, and safety systems. The Westgate Tunnel project will be told to balance traffic across the freeway network and help fund its construction and ongoing operation. Cars, motorways, light commercial, and heavy productivity freight vehicles will be tolled when using the new twin tunnels. Yeah, this is going to be tolled. The urban design of this project is going to be with basically the Aboriginal maritime history of the West. Pink lights, a pearly interior for waterways and resource-rich settlement areas for Aboriginal people. Now we also have a bigger map which gives you the past of the Westgate Tunnel. We also have a direct link to the M1, M2, which is like a, say if you live here, instead of going all the way here, you could just take this, or never mind, if you live here, you could just take this, and then no need to go through this much traffic. Really interesting project. There was a project from like the East and West Link, but then the Labour Party cancelled it. It was going to be much bigger and it was not directly connected to the motorway. M1, I mean. It was going to go from M80 somewhere there and connect it to the M3, I think. So basically, if you want to know where all this is happening, we're going to see it's going to go like this. And we have a lot of road closures. Which is going to be closed until January 2025. Now we have the elevator road. It's above the center of Footscray Road, and Footscray Road, I think, is this one. Yeah, it's the Footscray Road. So you're building it on top of it. Okay. It connects the twin tunnels with CityLink Danyan Road and Footscray Road in Virgin, and we're creating a new way to get to the city from the west. So it could be a carriage way of 3 lanes in each direction above Footscray Road, ramps from the elevator road connecting directly into the port. A 2.5 kilometer railway from Footscray Docklands up wide off-road route, almost 6 intersections per cycler, making trips safer and quicker. Understanding is the elevator road to access Melbourne Rivers Country New Tony Westgate Premier Avenue Star Road Merchant. Yeah, we'll travel across the way across the Maryborough River. The first segment of the railway was lifted into place in May 2024. This project is gonna be finished until probably late 2025. So yeah, there's going to be a new bridge above the Maryborough River. As most of you probably already know, the Westgate Bridge. There's already a bridge over there. It used to be taller, but now it's not anymore. It's getting really crowded sometimes due to its speed limit, which is only 80 kilometers per hour, and also it's insane traffic. When a car just gets stuck there, or it's just lanes are closed. It's going to be a vital second river crossing in the Westgate Bridge and providing new links to the port. The second river crossing over the Maryborough River to connect the tunnels with an elevated road at Footscray Road. Improve connections for tower trucks to the port by building ramps at Mackenzie Road and Appleton Dock Road for direct freeway access, which will mean less trucks on local inner roads. It was then, now it's currently under construction. We could see it has slightly changed here. How they're being built, they're using innovative methods to keep the river open to boats, keep Mackenzie Road open for truck access to the port, meet all environmental requirements. But the Maryborough River is not polluted. The Yarra River, which is further there in the city, is really polluted. So yeah, you don't want to end up like that. A greener and better connected west. So basically, there's going to be a new cycling journeys, trucks off local roads and not making so much noise in the inner west neighborhood areas. Better noise walls, parks, wetlands, and vegetation. There's going to be more community and green spaces. And yeah, it's going to be a better, it's a road project, but also a wellness project at the same time. Having more cycling links directly to the CBD. You'll also have new parks around here. It's okay. And yeah, now we're gonna look at the new connections to the CityLink and Dynon and Footscray roads. So if you don't know, this is CityLink. It takes you all the way to Melbourne Airport. In Dynon Road, I think is this. I don't know this, but I think it's here. It's here from there. They are building a new connections between the Westgate Tunnel and City via an elevated roadway. Well, there were new connections, widening of the Woodgendernary Way, which is here. The Woodgendernary Way is like a bypass so that you don't need to go directly into the city. An extension of the Woodgendernary Way to the west, connecting it to Dynon Road to the east of Money Ponds Creek, which is providing like a bypass of the CBD. So we're gonna understand and use the new city connections. They will enjoy more route options and choices. When he means regional Victoria, they mean people from like Geelong, Warrnambool, coming from the west into Melbourne CBD. The travellers can get to the Tullamarine Airport within a new elevated road, hospitals and universities in Melbourne's northern suburbs. Like I'll show you, like you can use this bypass, like you can go directly through you can go to Dynon Road, you can directly go to the Melbourne University, which is here, and also the zoos and also the hospitals. So yeah, industry at Appleton Dock Road using a new exit ramp to Footscray Road, offering direct connections to Australia's busiest container port. Regional now will be able to choose between using the twin tunnels over the Maryborough River, elevated road and city connection, or using the Westgate Freeway and the Westgate Bridge. If you want to go to the north of the city, the Westgate Bridge is a much better option for you because then you will go directly like this. You have better links to Melbourne north. But if you want to go to like the south, then it's better if you take the exit on Woodgenary Way so that you can have direct access to the south. You can visit, which is also better if you want to go to the MCG as well, where there's a lot of good matches like footy, etc. And also it's better for Marvel Stadium, which is where a lot of concerts are held. Now we'll be looking at the Woodgenary, sorry if I'm not pronouncing this correctly, Wurundjeri Way extension. We are extending okay, my spelling is completely wrong. Wurundjeri Way, finally, over Dudley Street to create a city bypass, removing through traffic from the CBD, including Spencer and Cape Street. It also widen it up to 3 lanes in each direction between Dudley and Flinders Street to reduce congestion and make it easy to get around the city. What it means is that this is Flinders Street, okay, the Woodgenary Way, we're going all the way, stopping to here, and then it'll be this Dudley Street, so yeah, it's gonna be extended greatly to reduce traffic through Melbourne CBD and giving a new way to bypass the crowded Melbourne CBD. We have a graphic with the new version and various connections. Right now it's currently under construction, but that'll be to Dining Road, that'll be the new Westgate Tunnel, City Link to Airport, Western Suburbs. If you get it. We have a map here that I can show you this, where the road structures that connects you to City Link. We have the roads going to here, Dudley Street, North Melbourne. We have the Woodgenary Way widening till here, and then past there, yeah. But there's gonna be a new road built there. Yeah, there is gonna be a new road built there, but the extension will be through here. We have the Laming Beams across Moonee Ponds Creek near Dining Road that will join up the new Woodgenary Way extension. It's extending and widening with an extra lane in each direction instead of 2 lanes, which can get crowded. And look at this bulge. Because it's currently under construction, but still this can be quite annoying. I can tell you many times I went here, so yeah. It's taking shape, and the North Melbourne station's on just on the right side. Meaning that probably that this is going to be built like it's gonna have to be built like smart, because then it goes like that. Then how are we supposed to build on top of that? Finally, today we'll talk about the High Street ramps. The High Street ramps is really, really elegant and useful. It'll make a new exit for inbound traffic from Freeway to High Street, which will give a direct link to the port and local industry and fuel depots. So basically, even if trucks are carrying dangerous goods or over height, then they can't use a tunnel. It still uses new exits, which can give a direct link to the port. High Street ramps will be towed in the AM morning peak to balance traffic across freeway network. Meaning even the High Street ramp will also be towed. It's not the only one. In Batman Avenue as well is also towed, which is like I think a link to either stadiums like AAMI Park, I think AAMI Park is here. Yeah, AAMI Park is gotta be here. Yeah, there it is. State of the art, basically, I would say. And there we have it, a conclusion of the Westgate Tunnel. We will deliver a vital alternative. There will be a new map with the direct link to the city. Westgate Tunnel will be told, and the High Street ramps will be told. More greener Melbourne. They'll be and basically taking trucks off local roads and basically delivering a better connection to the city. Anyways, thanks for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Anyways, sayonara.